Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In this video, we will be doing the concept of this pointer. So C++ does have a very good feature that it has a pointer that is known as this pointer. The various uses of this pointer is we can always use current object as parameter using this keyword. Basically, it is a pointer that points to its own object. Its own object means if there is a there is an object of the class, this pointer will by default point to its own object, and it can access data members using this keyword. You don't need to put any kind of pointer variable to access data members. By default, using this keyword, we will access it, right? We'll take a very simple example. I'm using a class and I'm writing A. This class starts. There is a data member small a. In public section, I'm using a variable member function void take. Now I want to give the value of small a. Using this pointer, we can give that. I'll tell you how. And I have closed this function. I have closed this class. In main, I am writing a variable a followed by obj. So this, and I'm writing obj dot a. This is the example we have been following in the previous videos. Did I write any pointer variable star p? No. But using this keyword, I can access this small a. So to access this small a, I can use this keyword. How? I'll just write this arrow a is equal to 5. I'm giving this small a the value of 5, and I'm just displaying cout. So guys, what happens? The moment this object gets called, you will call this function obj.take. The control over goes over here. Small a is given 5 value and 5 value is displayed. That's how it works. It's as simple as that. Now, this is one way of doing so. The other way of doing so is, this is first way, or we can use it using this also. I can, because this is a pointer that points to its own object, I can also write it in this way. Star of this dot a is equal to 5. I can even write like this. So this is a pointer that points to its own object. So it means there is a pointer by default with this keyword that points to which object? This obj. And it can access data members or member functions using the keyword this. That's how it works. So if there is any doubt, you can put it in comment section. If you like this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all the support.